Hey boy, need a ride?
Sure, hell yeah. Let's go.
Taking you to the fuck shack.
Let's do this.
Yeah,
I get to fuck you first. Oh shit, I'm in the car.
Five.
Ah!
Marinara.
Yeah, dude, 50 is gonna be fucked up.
Go down Pembroke, fool. Alright, I gotta get a wheel shot. This is just being fucking retarded. Oh, please, dude, I don't want to run you over, Jesse. Man, you better, man, chill for a minute. Let this car get way down there. You scared, Jesse?
Fuck no, dude, this shit is hard as fuck to hold on to.
Hold on right here, you dumb fuck.
Yeah, see, look, I like staying right here by the car, bro.
Alright, here we're about to douche this shit. Got you, bro. Tell me you're gonna fall off like that, bro. Bro, get dirty, bro.
That's a wreck, fuck y'all.
Look at, hold on. Oh, look at this fool's fucking shirt. Look at this shit.
Fuck y'all.
This fool's shit is all fucked. Look at this shit. Oh my god. This fool. Guy, oh my god.
Dude, I don't even give a fuck right now.
Nice fucking big gouges on the handlebar, handlebrakes. Look at the front tire. It's even worse now. Oh my god. That boy ate that shit, yo.
What the fuck is that?
Hold stay still.
Ah, dude, I'm fucking telling you to stay still.
Jesus Christ.
Ah,
What did you do, bro?
fuck yeah, they ran over me.
Did they